Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Denta, African Mommy in Deutschland. If you are a new subscriber, I hope you love the content I'm showing. I do a lot of lifestyle video, mommy life in Germany, and also just tips and information about life in Germany. I just woke up, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and do like an organization video. I've been meaning to eat more healthy, so I've been meaning to organize my fridge. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are in Germany, your mom in Germany, don't forget to link up on our African Mummies in Deutschland group. Thank you. Just in case you're wondering what I was wearing, I had my gym clothes under. I have been getting into the habit of wearing my gym clothes in the hope that I will get to the gym. I have a really super tiny fridge, and I am only doing the fridge section. I am not trying to do the freezer today. I got most of this stuff from Teddy, Cake Action, and my trusty labeler is here as well. I'm quite excited to do this and have an organized fridge again. So this is the state of my fridge. I can't wait to make it look good again. I always want to have an organized fridge. It motivates me to eat healthy and meal plan and everything. Just because I have a small fridge doesn't mean I can't get the organization I want. So I'm just taking the stuff out of the fridge, and now we have a nice empty fridge. I still have these two containers that I normally use to organize stuff in the fridge, but this is all that we took out of my fridge today. So now that it's nice and empty, I'm just going to spray my cleaning mixture. I made a homemade cleaning mixture, and I'm just going to clean the whole fridge. I'm not trying to do a deep cleaning of taking everything out and washing it, because I regularly clean my fridge so it's not dirty. So I'm just taking all the things out and wiping it out, and that should be enough. So how regularly do you clean your fridge? Leave in the comment section. I would love to know how regularly you do a fridge cleaning. These I purchased from Action. I really love them. They're deep enough to store a lot of stuff, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm quite happy I'm doing this because most people think when you have a tiny fridge you can't really organize. I picked this up from Kick, but I noticed it was too long. My fridge is quite not that deep, so I had to just leave it aside and use the fancy green ones that I bought. I like these just fit just fine. I had the gray ones, so I wanted a brighter color. That's why I went for this, and I'm just putting the vegetable tray back in the fridge. I'm just going to go ahead and label the condiments. I had already done most of it. I got the little bottles from Metro, and I actually do take stuff like ketchup and the curry sauce out and then put them in the little bottles, and it saves a lot of space. Labeling is a fantastic idea, especially for me as a working mom. If I have someone coming to take care of my child, they know what things are in my house. I got these two bottles for Teddy, one for water and one for milk. We normally put water during summer into the fridge. So I want to go ahead and do like a small breakfast compartment. I have the white container from Teddy. It has compartments for like spices, so I'm just going to head ahead to make a label, and then also I'm going to label the stuff that's going to be on it, because I had these lovely green lunchbox snap stuff. They are for lunch, but I'm going to use that to store my cheese and my margarine and my Wurst. I had another container, but they weren't doing the job, so I've just gone ahead and labeled them, and they are just the right size to put in the white container. I am going to also put my cheese and my Wurst and other stuff inside. Oh, by the way, Wurst means like lunch meat in German, so see, they're the perfect size. I'm also going to put these snacks that my daughter loves so much, little cheeses that we have for breakfast and sometimes she takes to school. I'm just going to show you what I used to use before, and these were just so inconvenient, so I'm just putting it on the pile of stuff that I don't need anymore. I'm going to just go ahead and wash my fruits and veggies and store them in a nice storage container that I also picked up from Teddy. I find that if I can put them in these fridge containers and put some paper towels under it, they seem to last longer and it's really helpful for me. Know why. If you have any tips and tricks, please let me know. This is my vegetable section. I just have very few vegetables. I don't know if you've noticed, but now the price of vegetables is crazy. But now we have my fridge organized. Everything is in. It looks great. It looks healthy. I have my vegetables, I have my condiments, my water, my milk. Yes, I do remove everything and put them in containers that are convenient for me. So it's organized. I have my breakfast stuff and my yogurts. I love yogurts. They're all up there. And I have my extra stuff and my leftovers in there. And then I have finally my vegetable tray. I have my jams over there, and then I have some few leftover sauces over there. So it just looks perfect and I'm proud of myself. So that's it basically for my fridge cleaning and organizing. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching.